You can see we're finishing off the pruning roses. They've been left for a long time. Look at the dead in here, all up the top. They were actually pruned by a hedge trimmer. But what it does, it leaves a crown sometimes of dead wood, which we've got to get out. Now some of this we can take out with our trusty secateurs, but when we get down to this sort of wood, we can see there's a new shoot there. Or do we get it down to a new shoot here? Because there's some lovely new shoots at the base here. I think, in my wisdom, I'm going to take it off at here. And again, I should demonstrate. Bulldog folding saw tucks away the blade very well. Did you hear that click? Solid, can't move. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut here, and it's nice, it just pulls backwards and forwards. Try not to damage any new growth. And then the biggest problem is going to be getting it out. And I think what we'll then do is use a bit of lopper action, chop off some of it at this sort of height, and then we can feel our way through the rose bush. There's the big chunk out, and you can see, just like to show you a nice clean cut. More about pruning and everything to do with gardening on World Radio Gardening.